If you want smoked chicken wings that practically melt off the bone and get hit with a buttery lemon garlic drizzle, you're going to want to try this recipe. It's easy, bold, and it's going to be your new go-to wing situation. Let's make smoked lemon garlic chicken wings on the Traeger. Here's how we do it step by step. Start with 2 pounds of chicken party wings. Pat them dry to get that skin nice and crisp. Season them with barbecue rub or a mix of salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Don't be shy with the seasoning. Preheat the Traeger to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I like to add the wings to a baking rack. It makes them easier to transfer, or you could just put them right on the grill grates. Smoke them for about an hour until the internal temperature hits 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Give them a couple extra minutes to get them extra crisp. While the wings are finishing, make the magic sauce. Melt 3 tablespoons of butter on a medium skillet. Add a couple cloves of minced garlic, zest of a lemon. Stir it until it melts and the garlic is soft and fragrant. Turn off the heat and set it aside till the wings are done. While the wings are hot off the smoker, drizzle on that lemon garlic butter sauce and sprinkle on some fresh parsley. These wings are smoky, garlicky, buttery, and that lemon zest lifts everything up. They are delicious.